Mother Nature is under our protection. The four elements are taking care of the planet. A fun party? Not really! Girls, Earth feels sick! Want some water? We need to save Earth! Here, cover up! You'll feel warmer! She needs fresh air and water! Oh, my flower! You give me strength! So this is what Earth needs! Being closer to nature! Of course! Girls, we're going camping! All our stuff is packed! Let's take a photo! Say cheese! What a bright flash! Cool pic! Look, girls! This is the first picture of our travel diary! So, is everyone ready? Start your engines! Let's begin our adventure! Hopefully, we didn't forget anything! First, let's plan our route! Who can read a map? We need to go this way! No, that way! How can we turn on our GPS here? Air knows a tried and true method. You have to lick your finger and see what direction the wind is blowing in. But it's not windy right now. Girls, I know! My wooden pendant! The moss on it will tell us where north is. Let's spin it. That way! Whoops! Wait for me! Does anyone know how to set up a tent? Is there a manual? And what do you do with this? Let's try setting up the tent ourselves. Look! I'm a tent ghost! Why is this thing here? Girls, look! I think we did it! We just have to turn it south. Girls, look at these beautiful bubbles I'm blowing! Whoops! Air went overboard with the wind again. Where's water? Girls, what happened? Our kite got blown away and now it's on a tree. Thank you, Air. We need to decide who's gonna go get it. Rock, paper, scissors. Row, sham, earth. You lost again. Good luck with the tree. Earth always picks rock. Why do I lose every time? Let's make a bonfire. These little branches definitely won't be enough. We have to go to the forest and get some real wood. This tree will be perfect. Stop, fire! Don't do it! That's actually not even my axe. Sorry, Earth. Do you need branches? Hang on. Will this be enough? Now we have a lot of wood. Let's make lunch. Tree, tell me where the best harvest is. Over there? Thanks. Earth got the best vegetables. And water goes to get water. Here's a nice pond. Oh no! Only frogs can drink this water. This dirty water is not for us. Why go so far? I can fill a jug with crystal clear water. Oh. Girls, we have water! And fire is taking care of the bonfire, of course. A fiery dance lights up a big flame. We just have to put on a pot. And now we're gonna cook a yummy soup. Great teamwork, girls! Where is Air? She's in the clouds again. What? Did I miss anything? Time to relax. Air is kinda chilly. No big deal. I'm gonna get a warm cloud from the sky. It's so soft. Sleeping under it is so nice. Fire and water are playing checkers. Instead of game pieces, they have ice and coal. Will they finish the game before the ice melts? And Earth is the only one who feels uncomfortable. Don't bother us. Should she lie down next to Air? Nope, it's too windy here. It's okay. I'll make an eco-friendly relaxation zone for myself. Here's my comfy ivy hammock. I'll sleep like a baby in here. Earth keeps tossing and turning. Where am I? Ouch! And now it's time to tell scary campfire stories. The first scary story is for water. In a city far, far away, there was a girl who was brushing her teeth. She wanted to turn the tap off, but it wouldn't turn off, and the water kept pouring and pouring for no reason. Too much water poured out. Scary story! The next spooky story is for you, Fire! One time, Fire got a cupcake for her birthday, but someone blew out the candle instead of her! No! What a terrifying story! And this scary story is for Air. Air was taking a walk outside and she was breathing deeply. But suddenly, what's that? Spray attack! They polluted the whole atmosphere! No! Stop! No! No! This is way too scary! Let's wrap up our scary night! A night in a tent. Everyone except Air is sleeping. The moon is shining right in her eyes. But this is easy to fix. I'll blow the moon out of the sky. Now it's completely dark. I can sleep. We have to decide where our main bonfire will be. Water and Fire keep arguing. Over there. No, over here. Air decides to take the matter into her own airy hands while the girls are arguing. There's gonna be a fire here. Water, give it. That's it. You made me mad. I just have to blow really hard. There we go. A real flame. I told you, I can make a big bonfire. Girls, look. I nailed it. Well done, Air. Good job. It's so nice. Girls, I have gifts for you. Earth made friendship wreaths out of wildflowers. This is so cute! The flowers smell so nice! Achoo! We're on fire! I'll put it out right now! Hey, Water! You went overboard again! You flooded us! We're soaking wet! Looks like our camping trip is over! We're finally home! What a stressful camping trip! Earth is full of strength and energy! That was a great trip! So, girls, when are we going on a new trip? No way! Not now! Did you like our 4 elements going camping? Then comment below who you would like to go camping with. Earth, water, fire, or air? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss new adventures of the 4 elements from Troom.